When it comes to law firm partnerships, you always have to ask, what do you have? What do you want? And what if that changes? Hi, everybody. I'm Allison Williams here, your law firm mentor. Law Firm Mentor is a business coaching service for solo and small law firm attorneys. We help you to grow your revenues, crush chaos in business, and make more money. So the topic of today is partnerships in law firms. And I know a lot of people have contemplated, should they be a solo attorney if they leave a law firm, or should they go into partnership with someone else? And there's a lot of different topics that we can cover when we talk about partnerships. But today I want to talk about money. And in particular, those three questions that I raised just a moment ago, which is, what do you have? What do you want? And what if that changes? So one of the things that I see a lot with partnerships that fall apart is that the lawyers start off together with a common interest. They desire to be in business, but they don't really think about the long-term ramifications of what's going to happen when we start to create what we want. And if you aren't sure about what you want to create, the likelihood is that you and your partner have very different designs on what you're actually going to create in business. And that's where the friction arises. And the most common area where we see that friction is with money. So the first question I want you to really think about is, what do you have? In other words, how much money do you have available immediately to invest in the business? And how much money is it that you're going to generate regularly and consistently in your business? Now, if you're not a generating attorney, you still need to have this conversation. Because if your partner is in the habit of generating a consistent amount of money and you're not, even though you might go into business saying we're 50-50 on everything and we're going to give our best efforts, there's inherently going to be an imbalance that is typically felt when it's time to distribute money from the business. The second question I want you to think about is, what do you want? Now, the what do you want question is not just what do I want to make in the first year or in the fifth year or in the 10th year. It really is a question about what do you want long term? What do you want to create? Do you want a lifestyle law firm where you're working a couple days a week? Do you want to have a law firm where you have a lot of employees doing the work for you and generating a lot of money and you're just a shareholder or perhaps an overseer, maybe a manager, a leader? What is the long-term perspective on this business? And that's really important because if you really design to have a lifestyle law firm where you're only working a couple of days and you got someone else over here working a lot less, that's a real problem. And then finally, what if that changes? What's going to happen if one of you is generating a lot of money and then all of a sudden you're generating very little? How are you going to compensate yourselves? Are there going to be any changes? If you don't consider these things, your partnership is likely to have a lot of issues. So here at Law Firm Mentor, we help solo and small law firm attorneys. We do work with partnerships. If you want to learn more, schedule a call. My scheduler is in the comments to this video. I'm Allison Williams, your Law Firm Mentor. Everyone, have a great day.